Okay. Let's go over. I did create November's calendar. So this is going to be posted up in the Facebook group. Lots of stuff going on. Holy cow. A little bit of motivation, that $1 million, how to be $1 million writer broken down. I also included that too. So this will be up on the website on the 6th. That is Wednesday. That is going to be a power hour night. Lauren is going to host that one, and we're going to talk primarily about health insurance. So diving deeper there. We want to learn as much as we can. Even if we're not writing that line of business, it's good to know the foundation. So the book club, actually, if you already have your book, the book club can start now, like right after Power Hour, if you want to. If you don't have the book yet, this is already in our package. Here's the link. Apparently, here's the answer. If we want it spiral bound, today it's $4,401.08.
Did that go up from the last time we were talking?
It sure did. It was
Really?
like $3,800 last time.
Yeah, it's because we keep buying it. Now they're like, ooh, we can increase that.
Those insurance agents, they want to learn how to prospect.
Oh no, they found out about our group. We are, I think, the best kept secret in the industry right now.
100%.
I wanted to bring this to our group. I wanted to address this. So this is, we pre-approve every post before it's allowed to go onto our Facebook group. So we're keeping the people safe for sure. This post was very interesting to me, and I held it back so we could talk about it tonight. It was posted today, so don't worry, I didn't make anybody wait 4 days or anything like that. But it says, hi, I'm new to the group and I joined because I don't know how the life insurance industry works. We did do some videos before, I think just a couple of months ago, on appointments. There are carriers and companies online. It works kind of like a cluster. It's like a network. So you'll have one company, an aggregator. Is it like being an MLM thing, multi-level marketing? So couple of things about multi-level marketing. The guy at the top makes all the money, right? Okay, that's kind of a lot of business models. The guy at the top makes the money and the other people work for him and they make less money and they make less money. If the only way you can make money is to recruit, or the purpose of the company is to get you to recruit rather than writing business. Certainly open for, I would love other agent insights on this one.
Know exactly what company this person signed on for.
Okay.
But with just reading the post, it screams that company, unfortunately. Yeah, they need to find something different. They were literally just recruited for the purpose of recruiting.
Yeah.
The said person can join our life insurance meeting that we have scheduled.
Actually, thank you for bringing that up. Let's go ahead and talk about that really quick. Melissa Anderson, we've got life insurance basics coming up. All seats are getting the recording. It will automatically be part of the essentials package. But Melissa set aside some time to explain how it is to pivot in life insurance, how to cross-sell, how to offer it, and bring it up in conversation. So something we can definitely use. I will be using my active listening. Melissa, thank you for your time.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. We're also going to have a licensing party. We haven't had a licensing party for about 6 months. So it is super time. We're going to celebrate everybody who's passed the exam throughout the summer. We're going to talk about next steps in the industry. And of course, one of our favorite people is going in to add a license. You got this. You got
For real. You've definitely got this.
Get your party hat. Tina, Monday Motivation Support Group will be starting November 18th. So this will not be recorded. This is going to be that safe space to have interaction. Any questions that you may have, Tina, of course, has been in the industry for quite some time, a top producer. Happy to share her insights. Okay. I am going to be hosting a sales proficiency PNC boot camp that's happening November 30th and December 1st. We already have morning and afternoon sessions scheduled that will also be part of the essentials package. So I'll make sure everybody who is here will also get a thumbnail of this. I hope it's motivational. It's just that elephant, right? One bite at a time. Just
Mhm.
take it down. And this is our November motivation. Thank you again, CJ, for sharing that with us. It's on my phone. I do my own editing now. So I realized in the insurance industry, I can't really trust anybody to make sure. It's a CYA situation. Cover your asset. You know how when you're a brand new agent, you've never seen a quote, and just being able to see a screen, any screen, the screen, what does a homeowner's look like? Like a little kid building with Legos.
Yeah, it's like a dummy, like, yes, quoting
Yeah.
tool. Yeah, because it is intimidating when you start, right? Like you're bouncing from this screen to this screen. And
Yeah.
I remember I processed my first payment after an auto, and I was like, well, where did everything go? Where'd all the documents go? You know, because like it has you bouncing from screen to screen. I felt so lost. So that's huge.
I can't tell
And then
you.
you're working from home and you have the one teeny tiny screen, the laptop. And I'm like, how in the world can I have multiple screens up with this one small screen?
Yes.
No. Yep. It's
And I'm
real.
still moving stuff here, there, everywhere.
Oh my goodness. And I'm honest with my policyholders or clients. I will tell them, you know what? Hey, there's about 5 screens between where I am and where I would like to be. If you don't mind grabbing your driver's license number, I'm a time management girl.
Yeah.
Before you guys wrap it up, I have one quick question, Mary. What was the name of that book again?
Ooh, fanatical prospecting. Alone, we can do so little, but together we can do so much. So thank you guys for encouraging each other. Super excited for everybody's journey. And I hope you have a great week. We'll see
Bye,
you.
everybody. Thanks, Mary.
Thank you.
All right, guys. Have a good night.
Have a good night, everyone.
Have a good night. It was a poster that I purchased and accidentally left at another agent's office. But if you want to be $1 million writer a year, this is the breakdown. It's about $2,739 a day, which is about a household a day. So
Mom.
just
Can
like
you-
an
Will you
elephant.
send me that, Mary? I love that.
Yeah.
Me too.
Okay. Yeah. Happy to share. This was something that motivated me. It's okay. It just tells me that I need to get another household. I need to say hi and hello to one more person, right? One more person than yesterday. Insurance really is a numbers game.
We have this thing in my office, especially with the newbies, is like me and my sales manager have been telling those, especially one of our hybrid people, just try to get one sale a day. If you get one sale a day, then you can build from that. And I was like, I was telling my sales manager, I was like, that's perfect. I mean, me here, it should apply to me because I'm reestablishing myself in this other office with one office. And yet here I am selling another policy today from the other office, which had my name on it. So, and I need to ask my boss about that. I was like, you took me away, but there are people that are going to still call and ask for me.
100%. Yeah. People will follow you.
Thank you all for watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.